My name is Rocky Helms. I'm the Vice President of Manufacturing for Richard Childress Racing, and we also have a division, RCR Manufacturing Solutions. We branched out into contract manufacturing about 4 or 5 years ago. We've been doing racing, obviously, the entire time, but about 5 years ago decided to branch out and start doing some aerospace, military, and defense. At RCR, we've been a customer of Kennametal for over 20 years. We're always manufacturing parts in a very quick time frame. We might get asked to make something on Monday that has to go on a car Tuesday or Wednesday. With those short lead times, having a partner that understood what we were trying to do and the timelines we were trying to do it in, quick response is very, very crucial in what we're doing.